Here we are at Cove Road Park for the International Coastal Cleanup Day, Saturday, September 21, 2023. Okay, an intrepid 6 of us here, all lined up, ready to travel. All right, let's do it.
You're filming the whole...
I am. I haven't done this in a long time. Yeah, the 6 of us. Little view. Okay. This looks pretty tight in here. I think we found our way out.
Whoa!
Well, Connie's on the other side here.
Hey, what are you doing up there?
You're getting wake from boats coming in.
Is that what it is? Wow.
Okay. You see Donna.
She'll be coming.
She's getting ready to come out. To the right. All right. Here we go. Lots of current. Lots of current. Like a whirlpool. Like a whirlpool. Hard to like Yes, I already bounced off the side of it. During the famous hole in the wall here. Nice and calm here. Quiet.
Boardwalk trail.
Markers are all gone. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Go pay attention. All right, well, we have our kayaks all. All right, you got to be careful walking on these trails. I don't know if he's showing up on the camera. We'll take him this way. The big spider sitting here. Let's get him in there. Yeah.
And how they get over there should be interesting.
All right, everybody's out picking. 3 went this way, and I'll go this way with Tom and Janet to the inlet. The birdies running along the shoreline there. All kinds of stuff back in these dunes. Well, this is a treasure trove of trash here at the inlet. This has got so much stuff. I think we'll have to go back and get another bag, guys. I don't think we're gonna.
Thank you for cleaning up the beach.
We cleaned it up nice. Look how nice it looks now. Dad, we got all that junk out of here. Good job, Fritz.
There's another one coming.
Wow, you guys got a good haul. Dang.
I didn't think we were going to find anything.
Yeah, no. We got a record haul of stuff. Heading back to our boats. We successfully filled all the cans up.
We're having
Reserve
discussion on
space.
topics.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, the tide's still rolling in here. Okay, we are leaving. Heading back out into the inlet. All right, we're back into the inlet. Janet taking us in another mangrove trail loop. This is very tricky, got to get under that. Pretty desolate in here. Kayaks up ahead, really treacherous. More. Well, this is the exit. All right, gang's all here, and we're out by the pier here, close to home, less paddling. All right, we're back into Cove Road Park for the end of a successful cleanup. Everybody smile now. We're feeding our faces. Thanks to the club for paying for our lunch.
And Donna for
Right.
putting it all together.
And yes,